What's up guys, welcome to Tommy RC. Today I'm going to unbox the Traction Hobbies new 1/8 crawlers. It's a Tank 300 competitive version. Now let's unbox it. The Aputure tires, Fly Sky transmitters, stickers, manuals, this big truck. Now here is 4 additional foams. And 4 beautiful metal wheels. Now this wheels is beast forged off-road. This is licensed. Now let's see the Tank 300 competitive versions. Look at the face. It looks like a little bit angry, and this is metal green colors, and it changed to big wheels. Wait a minute. Let's compare to the normal Tank 300. Look at this face, a little bit angry, and the front bumper changed, and both with the winch hoods and even the lights, and even there is a 2 hood in the trunk. Sorry, 2 vents in the hood. And here is the throttles. Now let's compare to the set. 2.2 wheels, 3.0 wheels, and the tails is 5.0, and this tires I remember is, wait a minute, 4.7. It's a big, so looks like gorgeous, and even these pedals changed. Now let's compare to the rears. The competitive versions, it replaces the back tires to some tools, axials, I think it can detach yours. And the rear bumpers, just change this different. By the way, normal Tank 300, it has metal wheels. Now this is nylon or plastic wheels, and it also has additional width, and it with a MB4, and the competitive versions replace to the Flat Skies it's called FGP, I forgot it, G7P. Now this is a Flat Skies G7P. So the total price of these competitive versions is much cheaper than this. And the interiors are all the same. Now this tires is Mark Moss. I think it's road tires. Look at the textures of the fares. And this is a crawler tires. And here is a official option part. Now this is a licensed aluminum wheels with a licensed Udo KLR tires. Now this is good for crawlers. So if I want to run speed, I will use these tires. If I want to cross some mountains, I will use this. By the way, this competitive versions is not as heavy as these versions. Now that's all about these two Tank 300s. Please subscribe, comments, and I will see you next time. Bye.